The whole show in general was quite a big looking show. The way it was designed, it gave it a really, really big look. Every component of it's been thought about. It's slick and looks fantastic. I went to university, actually studied music tech and audio systems. I did a placement year on my third year of uni, and that's when I started doing more and more video. I've had a main focus on being the video head of department, which essentially is the person that looks after the team, the contact between the production manager and the client, just to make sure that load-ins, load-outs are as seamless as possible, really. Started at Adlib when the video department was quite small. Ever since, we've continued to grow and grow. So always looking for the optimum product that has everything you need. On the S Club tour, we were using the ROE Black Quartz 4.6. The main thing is how easy they are to fly. There's a lot of manual handling involved, so the lighter the panels are, the better. How they're packaged in their dollies and the cart, how they go together, how the cables all combined into the panel, which speeds things up massively. We had 3 flown screens that eventually ended up being pulled together to make one seamless screen. The centre wall was 100 panels of the 1 metre BQ4 and 20 panels of the half metre, and then we had a left and right wall which was 72 panels of BQ4 and 18 half metres of BQ4. We also had on stage LED, which was a fascia for the set and the risers. We had doorway on track which opened and closed for the artists. In total we had 345 panels. It took a lot of teamwork and effort to make sure it happened efficiently. Credit to all the team, really. We all work together, and that's the benefit of having Adlib as a sole supplier. We all know each other, and it makes life easier on the road, really, in terms of working together and getting the products and the show everyone deserved.